Incorporate the soothing sound of water into your daily routine for mental relaxation. The rhythmic and gentle sound of flowing water, like a babbling brook or a gentle fountain, can have a remarkably calming effect on the mind. You can achieve this by spending time near natural water bodies, setting up a small water feature at home, or even listening to water sound recordings. This practice aids in reducing stress and anxiety, promotes relaxation, and enhances your ability to focus and meditate. Follow us for more videos, leave a comment if you found this helpful, and visit the link in our profile for more ways to boost your positivity. Remember, you're awesome.